И приглашаю от нашего замечательного организатора Кирен Сингh Варма за благодарственное слово.
Спасибо, доктор Sonu Saini. Honorable Vice Chancellor, Jawaharlal Nehru University, Professor M. Jagadish Kumar, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Krishnakant Hadi, State Open University, Professor Kandarpa Das, respected Mikhail Sergeyevich Popov, Director of the Scientific and Project Management, RUS Satrudnichestvo, respected Deans, Professor Saeed Ainul Hassan and Professor Shandar Ahmed, Chairperson, Professor Ranjana Banerjee, esteemed dignitaries, distinguished delegates, our most valued invited guests, colleagues, friends, and students. On behalf of the Center of Russian Studies, it is my privilege to propose a vote of thanks on the inauguration of the online international conference, moving online pedagogical practices with safety and security, organized in collaboration with Namangan State University, Uzbekistan, Russian Language Teachers Association, Namangan Region, and Bauman Moscow State Technical University, Russia. I would like to take this opportunity to place on record the contribution made by all towards the organization of this online international conference. First of all, I would like to thank Honorable Vice Chancellor, Jawaharlal Nehru University, Professor M. Jagadish Kumar, for sparing his time out of his very busy schedule and contributing towards the organization of the event. We are grateful to him not only for his gracious presence and encouraging speech, but also for the constant support in organizing online events during this pandemic period. His great words of encouragement and extreme politeness always inspire everyone. Thank you very much, sir. I express my sincere gratitude to the Vice Chancellor, Krishnakanta Hadi, State Open University, Assam, Professor Kandarpa Das, who despite being too busy today, agreed to be the part of the event and address our virtual audience. Professor Kandarpa Das, your presence has added grandeur to today's inaugural function, and we are really thankful to you for being with us today. I would like to share with everyone that Professor Kandarpa Das is a specialist in the area of Russian language and Soviet and Russian literature. He is alumni of our Center of Russian Studies, Jawaharlal Nehru University, and he completed his PhD at Moscow State University, Russia. You made our center so proud, Professor Kandarpa Das. Thank you so much. Уважаемые гости и участники, ректор профессор Кандарпа Das, выпускник нашего центра, и его специальности русский язык и литература, и мы, конечно, гордимся им. We are thankful to Mr. Mikhail Sergeyevich Popov, the Director of the Scientific and Educational Project Management Department of RUS Satrudnichestvo, for accepting our invitation and gracing today's conference and delivering an interesting and thought-provoking inaugural address. Уважаемый господин Михаил Сергеевич Попов от имени Центра русских исследований Университета имени Джавахарлала Нехру выражаю вам искреннюю благодарность за оптимизм и добрые и интересные слова. Our thanks go to the Dean of School of Language, Literature and Culture Studies, JNU, Professor Saeed Ainul Hassan, also one of the very polite professors in our university, for his ever-willing support and always motivating the faculty and students of the School of Language, Literature and Culture Studies, JNU. I would also like to thank the Dean, School of Computational and Integrative Sciences, JNU, Professor Shandar Ahmed, for sharing his experience and expertise on online teaching. Professor Shandar Ahmed, with his team during this period of COVID-19 pandemic, has organized 2 workshops on empowering teaching through online mode in JNU. Thousands of teachers all over India attended these workshops and were very satisfied with the interesting and informative presentations by well-experienced experts in this field. Our chairperson, Ranjana Banerjee, who is the chief coordinator of all the online events that are taking place during this stressful COVID-19 pandemic period, deserves special thanks for her painstaking efforts in making these events successful. I must mention our deep sense of appreciation for one of the coordinators of this online international conference, our youngest colleague, Dr. Sonu Saini. You'll not find the word no in his dictionary. Besides total technical support, he's always ready to extend his help for any kind of work related to the different events, day and night. His patience and dedication towards his duties and the excellent organizational skills have brought the event a great success. Our heartfelt thanks to our esteemed guest, Mr. Alexei Anatolievich Karabchenko, Counselor, representative of the Ministry of Science and Higher Education, Embassy of Russian Federation in Kazakhstan. Ms. Tatiana Yevgenievna Perova, Head Teachers Training Center, Russian Center for Science and Culture. Professor Boris Alexeyevich Zakharin, Head Institute of Asian and African Studies, Moscow State University, Russia. Yelena Valentinovna Smirnova, Moscow State Technical University, Moscow, Russia, for gracing us with their presence in the conference and their willingness to contribute their experience in the form of presentations on online platforms and education in the session. От имени нашего центра хочу сердечно всех вас поблагодарить. I would like to express my sincere thanks to all other distinguished guests from Russia and other countries, our invited delegates, scholars, Professor Andrei Viktorovich Proletarsky, Dean, Faculty of Information and System Management, Bauman, Moscow State Technical University, Russia. Professor Tatiana Alexeyevna Demishkina, Dean, Faculty of Philology, National Tomsk State University, Russia. Kosim John, Namangan State University, Mr. Kosim John, Namangan State University, Uzbekistan.
Kosim Abilovich.
Kosim John Abilovich, да?
Kosim Abilovich Sidikov.
Азиза, вы сказали, как Косим Джон? Это значит, как зовут? Косим Джон?
Да, его зовут Косим Джон, а отчество Абилович. Это наш декан филологии, факультета филологии.
Косим Джон Абилович. Декан тоже, да? Ага. Хорошо. Декан,
Декан филологии.
Dean, Faculty of Philology, Namangan State University, Uzbekistan. Abdul Azizov Abdul Wahid, Head Department of Russian Language and Literature, Namangan State University, Uzbekistan. Aziza Mirza Nazarova, Deputy Head, Management, Russian Cultural Center, Namangan Region, Uzbekistan, for accepting our invitation and generously giving their time. Your participation, we are sure, will add depth to the content and deliberations. Благодарим вас всех за активное участие и за поддержку.
Спасибо большое.
And we would like to thank Kiran for her.
Еще продолжать немножко.
Just wanted to
Professor Ranjana, on behalf of CRS, еще там осталось немножко, Professor Ranjana Banerjee.
I wanted to thank.
On behalf of CRS, I owe a huge debt of gratitude to the members of our organizing committee, Aziza Mirza Nazarova, Uzbekistan, Zef Reiman, Israel, Aygul Amitova, Kazakhstan, Andrei Viktorovich Proletarsky, Russia, Yelena Valentinovna Smirnova, Russia. Your wholehearted support has made this event a reality. Уважаемые члены оргкомитета, поздравляем вас с открытием онлайн-международной научной конференции и от имени нашего центра примите мои искренние слова благодарности за организацию превосходной конференции, посвященной самой актуальной теме настоящего времени.
Спасибо большое.
Last but not the least, And last but not the least, I thank all the experts and around 500 participants from India, Russia, USA, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Estonia, Belarus, Ukraine, Turkey, Slovakia, Georgia, Moldavia, Macedonia, and other countries, our colleagues from different universities, friends, students, and entire virtual audience for attending the inaugural ceremony of the conference and keeping all the stress and tensions aside. Спасибо всем за ваше активное участие в виртуальной конференции и никого не заразить коронавирусом и сами избежать вирусной инфекции. Берегите себя, берегите себя и своих близких.
Спасибо, это самое главное.
Да, поэтому мы все сидим в виртуальной аудитории, да? Thank you all. Now I yield the virtual floor to Dr. Sonu Seni. Dr. Sonu Seni, пожалуйста.
Thank you very much, Dr. Kiran Singh Verma, for your consent or wonderful thanks giving note. Would also like to, from the behalf of the Center of Russian Studies, we would like to, and other colleagues in the organizing committee would like to thank Professor Dr. Kiran Singh Verma for her, always ready help, because she's the person who, she's also one of the persons who doesn't see the position of sun or moon, where they are basically there, and she's ready even at 3 o'clock night, at 4 o'clock night, like she would be helping us in all the organizing kind of questions. And we urge on her, like, okay, that she must be awake, and she's a great help in organizing this event, this program. Thank you very much, dear colleagues, and